Hey guys and ladies, of course. So, one day I looked inside a water tank of my beloved Miss Silvia and freaked out because pipes looked extremely dirty. There was something black, and I thought for a while that it was mildew, but actually it's more likely biofilm. Still, it feels not very safe and hygienic to drink coffee prepared through these pipes. So I decided to substitute them with new ones, but then I realized that it's not that easy to buy the original size, original material pipes. And I came up with the idea to start with simply washing them and then see what I'm left with and solve this limited market access problem. Well, I believe it's time for me to start commenting what I'm doing on the video. First, I removed the water tank, then removed the top cover and figured out where these pipes are going and what blocks, modules of the machine they are connected to. As that one pipe, which is covered in a textile wrap, goes further, so I had to remove this metal wall. Now you can see that I am removing the indicator of water level, and a pipe which is heading to this measuring module is tightened with some metal thing, so I use pliers to remove it. By the way, this pipe is the reason I was trying to wash them instead of simply substituting them with the alternatives, because it's not made from food silicone. It is not standard. It's some Japan-produced special pipe for such coffee machines, and I did not want to replace it with some polyurethane alternative. I am removing this one in a reverse order because it's easier this way, taking its composition into consideration. And as for the last one, I believe that you can see on this video that it's the cleanest, and I actually have a lot of trouble of figuring out how am I supposed to put it back. My fingers are not that thin, so I decided to leave it as it is because it's clean. And some drops of water may remain after you remove those pipes, so please make sure that everything is dry. Better even dry it with a hair dryer, because wires should not be wet. It looks dangerous. And look at these pipes hidden inside or even more dirty. I was actually very happy that I disassembled this and decided to wash. But how are you supposed to wash pipes inside, being so thin? Well, it looks like a ridiculous idea, but I did pretty well. So, first thing I'm doing is preparing hot water with a cleaning solution for coffee machines, and I am using 46 degrees temperature. Simply putting all the pipes inside. By the way, I was scared to use higher temperature because, as far as I knew, food silicone pipes were fine with any temperature, but that thin transparent one, I was not sure regarding it. And this is how I put water inside. I simply sucked it, not drinking it and cleaning my mouth, of course. I let them soak for about 30 minutes and then started to wash it off. These big internal fragments of biofilm were washed quite easily, but I had to put more effort for those parts that were directly on the internal walls. Pressing helped, and also I came up with this genius idea of putting a sponge inside. You start with putting a thread inside. A life hack to easily do this is to inhale it and then tie it, put inside, move it up and down, but please make sure that your thread is strong enough because you don't want it to stay there. And now let me show you the final result. I'm very proud of myself, I'm very satisfied, I managed to remove these black parts. As for the yellow segments, that's same as color change in silicone phone cases. It does not look dangerous to health, so I'm fine with this. Here are these parts that were extremely polluted and filled with biofilm. And here is the only one that remained imperfect. Trust me, that's some eternal dirt. Because I put it into another solution, more concentrated for longer, but it still did not want to come off. And now I am simply showing you the reverse process of assembling this bag, because I decided that some of you may find this useful. In spite of double checking the safe temperatures for such type of pipes in the web, I was still worried about whether they will be tight enough as before. And yes, I can assure you that no water leakage so far. It's been 2 weeks since I've done all of these manipulations. Everything works perfectly, so 46 Celsius degrees are absolutely safe. Let me be honest, I had a lot of trouble of figuring out how to efficiently put it back, how to anyhow put it back. So check this. You should place it in such a condition, in diagonal, and this is the only way it will go. I totally admire this machine, and it was a special pleasure to look inside, to have this honor of discovering its internal world. Check out this tip. I'm using a more thin screwdriver to align these two holes. And now, final touch. And here we are. Here is my result. I hope this video helps. Please like it and thank you for watching.